Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make cheese-burst pizza without yeast. Here is the list of all the ingredients used, so let's get started. Add maida to a bowl along with baking powder, baking soda, salt and sugar. We are going to use curd to knead this dough as we want our dough to be soft. Add only 1 to 2 teaspoons of curd at a time so that the dough doesn't become sticky. You can add extra flour if you added too much curd. When the dough is kneaded properly, we are going to add oil and then knead the dough for around 10 minutes until it is nice and smooth. We will divide this dough into 2 parts and 1/3 part we'll keep it aside. Sprinkle some flour on the base to roll out the remaining dough. Grease the pan nicely with oil and transfer the rolled out dough onto it. Apply some cheese spread. You can use any cheese spread you like. Here I have used a whole garlic cheese spread. Here now we have taken the 1/3 part of the dough that we kept aside. We are going to roll it out nicely and then we are going to cook it on low flame on a pan. When you start seeing the air bubbles on the surface of the dough, you have to flip it around and cook it again on the other side and it will be done. It's done. Now we are going to transfer it to the main base and seal the corners by folding in. You can use water to seal it properly. Apply the pizza sauce on the base and add cheese to it. Either you can use the pizza pasta sauce available in the markets or you can make the sauce at home with the ingredients I have mentioned in the starting of the video. Add some cheese and then top it with some veggies. I've used capsicum, onion and pieces of paneer and olives. You can use any other veggies if you like. Make sure you add more extra cheese on the top of the veggies, as we are making a cheese burst pizza, so you need to add a lot of cheese to it. Now apply a good amount of oil at the edges of the base as it will help our pizza crust turn nice and golden. I have preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees, and now you have to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes.